Hi and welcome to Carnegie and our presentation on Ependion. My name is Markus Almerud. I'm an analyst here at the bank. So we have reinitiated on Ependion with a fair value range of 140 to 188 Swedish krona. We like its positioning. The exposure to secular growth and attractive mega drivers is high. And with the exposure, we think that the 10% growth target is doable. With gross margins of around 50%, the growth will drive the margin. Ependion has two business entities, Westermo and Beijer Electronics. Westermo is about 60% of sales, and they make switches and routers for harsh environments. Beijer Electronics make HMIs, industrial displays. The largest end markets are train, energy, and manufacturing. 2024, or the past 12 months, has been difficult for the company, but there is now light in the tunnel. We think that we are at the bottom, and it's time to return to look at the longer-term trends. We believe in an acceleration in organic growth in coming years, and the main driver is energy, followed by train. A couple of words about the energy market then, and its importance for Ependion. So energy consumption is not changing much over the next decade, but the mix is changing. Electricity consumption will more than double over the next decades. This is mirrored by supply. Renewables keep increasing at the expense of fossil fuels, and the grid is old. In Europe, about 70% of the grid needs to be upgraded over the next decades. And the value chain has gotten a lot more complicated. Historically, energy has flown from producer to consumer with money flowing in the other direction. Now, energy and money flows in all directions across the value chain, which requires more information. The equipment that Ependion makes handles and directs this information. So where are we now? As seen in the graph on the upper left-hand side, order intake has come off, but we do have 4 quarters in a row at around 500 million Swedish krona. And we think that we are at the bottom and that the direction is about to change. So in summary, Ependion has a very attractive exposure. Growth has been lackluster for the past 12 months, but we think that this is about to change. This allows us to look at the longer-term trends again. There's an extensive report out at carnegie.se if you want to know more. Thank you.